So dear students, today we are going to start it is given too little of nutrients. It is again a chapter of a continuation of food and health, chapter 4. So it is given, see, diseases that occur because of lack of certain nutrients are called deficiency diseases. They are very common among the poor people. Two major deficiency diseases are kwashiorkor and marasmus. So we have learnt about the nutrients like the carbohydrate, protein, fat, and the vitamins and the minerals. So whenever there is some deficiency of any one of these, like the carbohydrate, protein, fat, minerals, and the vitamins in our diet, it may cause some diseases which are then known as deficiency diseases. And now the two most important deficiency disease are kwashiorkor and the marasmus. Now see here given, kwashiorkor develops in children due to lack of sufficient protein in their diet. Now children with kwashiorkor are usually underweight and have stunted growth. Now see, it is given in the diagram. So here we can see that it is occurring due to deficiency of protein in our diet, and they have protruding bellies, dry scaly skin, brown hair, and the swollen legs. They do not feel hungry and have anemia and reduced resistance to diseases. They are often mentally retarded. That means their blood will not be formed. As a result, that is known as the anemia, and their brain will also not grow properly. They will not develop. That is why they are known as the mentally retarded. Marasmus occurs in infants and children up to the age of 5 years when the diet lacks proteins and energy. Now, giving carbohydrate, it is also called protein energy malnutrition, that is PEM. Now marasmus generally occurs in infants and the children up to the age of 5 years, and it is also because of the lack of protein and the carbohydrate in our diet, and it is also called the protein energy malnutrition, which is also called PEM. Now what are the symptoms of marasmus? They are poor muscle development, bones showing through the skin, weak legs, and an underweight body with no fat. PEM produces anemia, mental retardation, and low resistance to diseases. See, it is the diagram given here of marasmus affected child. So these are the different symptoms, just like the kwashiorkor. And now in this chart is very important. You can take it. You will have to learn this very well. Deficiency diseases caused by lack of vitamins and the minerals. So see, we have learnt about different vitamins in our diet. So it is vitamin A, vitamin B, C, D, etc. So vitamin A is, see, disease is night blindness, dryness of eyes, poor night vision, loss of night vision. Next, vitamin B1, it causes beriberi. Now what are the symptoms? Inflammation of the nerves or loss of appetite. That means you will not feel the hunger, weak muscles, and the paralysis. Vitamin C is scurvy, that will show bleeding gums and swelling of the joints. Vitamin D causes rickets, that is weak bones, decaying teeth, bow legs, and the pigeon chest. Iron, loss of iron in our diet, or there is if there is not much amount of iron in our diet, it can lead to anemia. That means there will be no blood formation. Low red blood cells causes weakness, pale body, nails and lips, loss of weight, and swelling of hands and the feet. And iodine, if there is no iodine in our diet, it may cause goiter, that is swollen gland in the neck, retarded growth, and mental retardation. So these are the different forms of nutrient that should be there in our diet, so that this type of diseases will not occur.